Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to recover deleted Discord messages. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to recover deleted Discord messages, it is certainly not possible as the app itself does not allows you to recover those messages as they are immediately removed from the server. The only way to view them is if a server uses a message logger bot. That is, if the server has some bot like Better Discord or stuff like this to archive the chats. Otherwise, you can check your notification, ask a friend for a screenshot, or use the Discord's data package request. So these are some certain ways to recover your deleted Discord messages, but the possibility to find them is completely a bit low in comparison to finding them. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.